It is the final episode for season 4 of Jamaica's only weight loss reality series, Losing It, the Wait is Over. I am your host, Carla DeLeon, standing in for Talia Soares. It was 10 drama-filled weeks, and there were lots of ups and downs, even on the scale. Arguments, questionable dance moves, and lots of fun challenges. And you know what was the best part? These contestants did not hesitate to take the challenges head on. We watched them get stronger, gain muscle, and of course, lose weight. And tonight, we will have our final weigh-in, and you will see the 6 contestants in their element. We will also announce our grand prize winner, the person who has lost the most weight over the last 10 weeks. This contestant will walk away with $250,000 and a 1-year gym membership at Fit Farm Fitness Club so that they can maintain their new bodies under the watchful eyes of the trainers. Of course, the remaining contestants will find out tonight just how much cash they'll be taking home in our Cash for Pound weigh-in. We have a lot planned for you, but first, let's take a look back at the last 9 weeks.
So here's where we're doing our fit test. We're doing the elliptical for 3 minutes, and we have other exercises. It's designed to see the capability of the contestants to see how far we can push them.
The elliptical almost took me out. My thighs were burning.
My knee started to shake somewhat, but I said I had to go on.
Big pop.
Driving back into Fit Farm after 6 years, I was kind of scared and embarrassed.
I can tell you, you have an amazing set of contestants this year. Serious, no clown, no jokers, and everybody looked like they really want something out of it.
I didn't know what to expect for the challenge. I was not prepared, but I was saying whatever was thrown at me, I'm gonna just take it head on.
Welcome to our very first challenge. How are we feeling?
Nervous.
Come on, Poppy.
Cone. Around the cone.
But now when they have big pop, really stronger than me.
Let's push on my back. Why am I think I'm stubborn? I'm not lying. It's tough.
Don't make your knee mash up. Give up. You see? No man, don't listen.
Willie was saying to me to give up. Willie was telling me to give up, that my knees are bad. Give up, lady, your knees are bad. I'm like, how do you know about my knees? My knees are not bad, sir.
Problem, Karen, lean for me, yeah?
Pick up the strength, please.
Karen, one out. Karen, what upon me, Karen, come upon me.
Jesus.
Challenges are of different things. You have strength, flexibility, agility. And some of them are mostly mind challenging.
At no point in time did I think that I have to put an orange in the crotch of Mr. Pop. I was concerned about what his wife was going to think.
My wife, I go watch it.
And he made sure to tell me how to put the orange in his crotch, you know.
And to reach a part there, may I tell you honest truth, she got stop it and zoom.
Please look at me. Miss, no disrespect. I did not know. Over here, no disrespect. I respect you 100%. I did not want to put it there. That's where I was told to put it. Please forgive me.
Run again.
What is going on?
Are we going to move those things from the truck to the...
Come and know there's something about carrying gas.
Oh God, what a truck there go.
You got this, Pop. You got this. Mr. Shirley, let's go and talk, you know, because you just a ride. You understand? That's a ride. But what you could have said, you know, all right, when I get tired out there, the one on the bicycle,
So bring this cylinder back to the
come off and go and carry, and then make up on the bicycle.
We have to accept our strengths and our weaknesses. I think I'm physically stronger than he is, so, and I'm faster than he is, so to win, I just have to do it.
3, 2, 1. Red team, that's your time.
It's no fear. Everyone should do it. That a man should do that again, and everyone have Sativa do it.
You guys are out. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Come on. Hey!
I don't know how the rest of the team complete it because when me go up on my knee and make 2 moves, that's something never done me so yet.
That's right. All right, cool.
Wow. Come on, Big Pop.
I was concerned that Big Pop was going to have a wardrobe malfunction because when he was climbing up and I was like, come on, what am I saying?
We don't want him to have a wardrobe malfunction. It's hot.
Karen, hold the right side.
Billy seems to have some special skills when he was doing that egg and spoon because I don't know what happened.
And then Mr. Willie take a dip, like a Willie bounce to the right.
Everybody fear do the Willy Bounce.
When I see this, he make a look out, tweet, and I say, oh, wait, this egg ain't my friend.
How it was just look.
Because I see egg stand upstairs, so I didn't go so, and the egg stand upstairs, so I said, no, man, that, something wrong there, sir.
I thought that was either an act of God or the man cheated.
You're hurting me. Sorry.
It's like his head chip. He was just so channeled on winning that it was just like he wasn't listening.
I'm screaming, you know. You're gonna tell me to push? Push where? And broke my foot? For what? It's mad.
No. My partner have a twist feet, which I'm very sorry about it, but I was not really going that hard.
When you communicate, you say yes, no, right, left. As some people communicate. If you scream, how am I gonna know what that means?
But at this point, anything you say.
What's the reason?
Pay attention, Ron. Ron, you're always in your head.
No, when I try to hold you up.
Ron, when people give you instructions, you don't listen, brother.
All right.
It's a part of the challenge. You can't sit behind me. So I'm gonna flip it over. If he's not looking, it's gonna connect.
We spoke about that. But hey, if you want to get hit in the head with a tire, you have to learn.
Don't laugh.
Willie and Sativa are so competitive.
I watch you.
Sativa push me, you know.
Are we competing or is this like, after you, madam? No, it's a competition.
Baby, calm down.
Hold him, Sativa, hold him.
You put in my heart for love.
I don't know what she's dropping now.
The 2 away? No. Sit down.
It was a little intense. No pun intended, TVJ.
But the plan for Sativa still is, I said to myself, the music stop, we need to sit down, but I make a bounce.
No, Sativa, fight for this. Sativa, fight for this.
I remember why Sativa.
Can I tell you how I win that one there? Him sitting in a slow motion, so I just kind of just and take the charge. You're gone.
We were actually in the lead, but somehow fate had it. Somebody intervened, and the breeze just took the balloon.
Oh! I'm leading.
Big Pop didn't pop it. It was the heat that made it pop.
Every time the balloon come out, Siobhan big finger them, I squeeze it down. You understand? So it must bust.
I didn't burst the balloon. Balloon was on the other side. So I have video proof of that. The balloon was on the other side. I didn't burst it.
Sativa's athletic anyway, and she's used to running, so I knew that she would be a strong anchor for them.
I was just hoping that the balloon didn't burst. So I was confident that would make it around. I was just confident about the balloon.
I was moving really fast coming after Sativa until she reached up on the hill. Remember, Sativa is a person who can live by hill and run up hill every day. You know?
It really said that?
There was a hill. Go and get a surveyor on that and see if there's not a hill. There was a steep and ask any one of the crew member. You know, so when the van go up it, then press gas. Yes, when the van go up the hill, you hear, you never hear. Remember, Sativa designed for run up hill, you know? And you see it, you know?
I didn't know if it's about that one day. My aim personally was just
to keep running, which is something for that length of time. On a regular day, I would definitely have stopped probably like 2 minutes in.
I was expecting anything better than that.
I understand, man. She never have a chance.
Hey, look, you get that first. I just want to know I beat Willie. When I beat Willie, I'm good.
I never get the balloon. So them not beat me. Big Pop lose to Sativa. My teammate was definitely not in for that.
Drama happened after that.
Run! You're trying to take up on one end, brother.
There were 4 bass pads there, and when myself and Elise stepped on it, they sunk. And when Rowan stepped on his, it didn't sink.
So I was speaking to my teammate to say, I want him to keep that particular spot that he had. So whatever was happening, when we finished, we get back that particular spot he had. That was a part of our plan. Karen, oh my God!
Like seriously?
Like seriously, Karen, oh my God!
Sis, we're literally just trying to check the air in the thing. Why are you talking about, you're talking to your partner?
Leave me alone, Karen. I can say anything I wanna.
It's like, why are we even arguing?
It is why I am very competitive, and it's from day one. You change, Karen.
Just because you're competitive doesn't mean that you have to be rude. It doesn't mean that you have to be loud.
Karen, you have changed.
All we're doing is testing.
Karen, just stop.
I don't like bumps about, I don't like clown, and I don't like heights. If I hear me say, then something they must know, so I'm not joking. I invite a clown to my son's birthday, and I'm a friend, my real friend. When me and him par is a clown. And the man put on the clown suit, and when he say, yo, what show me for what? Me I say, the brother ain't even know something even like him. Alright. The fake was she fake, man. I fall feet and fall out. But my plan was, if she give me the ball, I just hold on on it. But like she think with me, I think great mind things I like still, so maybe that happen.
Yeah.
Wow, 10 weeks went by so quickly. But overall, it was an amazing experience. And as someone who watched the show week after week, I'm very proud of all of the contestants. Our coaches also did an amazing job. They were definitely tested a few times, but they stuck to it like the real professionals that they are. When we get back, we'll have a chat with our trainers and get them to let us in on a few team secrets. This is the finale of Losing It, The Wait Is Over. Stay tuned.